Ginger.
Come on.
Just back up a little, she thinks, because I yelled at her once for coming in. I couldn't believe I thought she'd get stuck. I went to church and she was gone 4 hours, came home and she was in the house.
No, Ginger.
Come on. Oh, come on, Goose. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Ginger, you stop it. Come here.
She's coming. She's coming. Hilly.
See? Oh, well, she acts like she's stuck, but you watch. She's coming with the wrong foot. She slimes in like crazy. Come on. Come on, baby.
Hey, Ginger.
Come on.
Come on. Come here. Aw.
Now she's going to bite the thing off. Come on. Oh, come on. She says, you're here. You can help me now. I don't have to cheat. Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Is this the dog we saw at the shelter? That
Yeah,
gray one?
there. Look at that.
Yay!
Isn't that amazing? Now that's amazing.
Wow.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.